Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're discussing Safari on the iPad, specifically how you disable private browsing. So when you open Safari, you can usually see an option to go to the private section. However, if you don't see this option, it's likely that private browsing has been disabled in your iPad setting. Here's how to disable or enable private browsing. First, you need to go ahead and open your settings on your iPad. Now from the settings, go to screen time. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it is disabled, enable it, and then tap on Web Content. Or if it's not available, you can go ahead and tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Here, make sure that the toggle for Safari is turned on. You can also go through other features and turn it on or off according to your preference. If you unrestrict the access, this will allow private browsing. And you can also customize allowed and disallowed websites as well. So if the limit adult websites is enabled, the private browsing option will disappear from Safari. If you switch it back to unrestricted access, the private section will reappear. So now go ahead and open your Safari and then tap on private, which is just below the tabs option. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.